Hello students, your history and political sciences syllabus has been done now. Now it is your turn to revise as your unit tests are approaching. Practice is a key to success. So from now on you have to do practice, practice and practice. The best way to prepare for test is to take one topic at a time and delving as deep into as possible. Place each topic in context, gain it a rich understanding of it before you move on to the next topic. Once you do the same with the other topics, you can then compare and contrast them and have truly unique insights that you will garner you a higher grade. So from now what are you going to do? You are having one, as only one chapter you are having in your syllabus. What are you going to do now? Take one content, read it in your book, try to find out question answers, learn those question answer what have you been provided, long question answers, short question answers. And one thing that makes you unique understanding is to try to make your own question answers in that particular content. That is very useful key to success. Try to make your own questions and then try to write those answers too. Here on your screen, you are watching the word limits of your answers, how much words you should use, because beyond these words there is no need to waste your time in examinations. So, and some tips to make perfect answers I am giving you by example. On your screen, you are having a question, and actually, the question is, many international organizations function undemocratically justify. Huh. So, in this, while we can write in two ways. We can write in just simple answer, we know answer, we write these. But how can we make it perfect? Here are some tips. You can listen carefully and try to use these tips in your answers. Okay, what are you going to do? First is that give examples, give extra figures like in this answer. Here you see regular answer and a perfect answer, and try to differentiate in between those. Okay, in perfect answer exact figure 192 is mentioned, while in regular a sample line has been written. In regular answer starts with the United States, means what has been asked, the direct answer has been placed here. But in this perfect answer, what is in those means ki you can put some line in brief. What are you going to tell about? We should start answers. What are we are going to tell about in brief? We have to tell in first line. Okay, and you see that green words shows the knowledge about the students, means particular key how much extra knowledge you are having about this topic. You should also write in your answers. So here I am giving you 1 2 3, I think 2 or 3 slides you are having. So see carefully and find out the difference and try to make your answer perfect. Okay, now you are at your place and practicing yourself. If you have any problem you can ask me freely. uh, I can assure you that you will be replied. And so practice, practice and practice is your key. All the best students.